What's up, YouTube and Beta Hunters community? Longhorn Whistler here, and today we are going to tell you a little bit about our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is going to be a channel mostly about technology, and it'll be giving you guys reviews and tutorials about how technology works, and about even specific hardware and software such as Windows 95 and NVIDIA GTX 1080 graphics cards. This is totally run by the community, however. The community totally decides what we do for our videos. They either post in the forum or they leave a comment on the YouTube video, and that is how we decide what we do next. What the majority of the community wants is what we're going to give them, because we want to satisfy our community and give them a quality experience on our YouTube channel and forum. So, feel free to leave a suggestion on the forum, and maybe leave a comment even on the YouTube video, and we will see you in the next one.